Hey guys, Benny from 782 Motors, classics, low-rise and muscle cars. Every month when we do our stock drop, we've got a few heroes. This month we've got more than the Avengers movie. This is just one of them. It's a 1969 Chevy Camaro. It's a 427 Yenko Clone, big block, 4-speed, nut and bolt resto. You're gonna need to jump on the website and check this car out in details. We've got about 140 photos online, inside, outside, underneath, nut and bolt tags, factory markings. It's immaculate. One of the best cars or Camaros in Australia. You're going to need to check it out, www.782motors.com.au.